CNS important questions. 1. Explain the different types of firewalls with suitable diagram and some weaknesses of a packet filtering firewall. 2. What is the difference between an SSL connection and an SSL session, and what services are provided by the SSL record protocol? 3. What are the basic concepts of SNMP and difference between SNMPv1 and SNMPv3? 4. Define Kerberos and difference between the version 4 and version 5 of Kerberos and purpose of the X.509 standards. 5. Define cryptography and 3 ES of a public key cryptosystem and define public key certificate.